Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting a PayPal account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To start, go to paypal.com and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Click the settings icon from the top left of the page. Here on the main account settings page, there is a link to close your account. On the bottom left, click that. If you are sure you want to permanently delete your PayPal account, click Close Account. Your account has now been closed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.